Welcome back to Operant Tech Solutions, where we explore technologies changing lives across Africa and beyond. Today, we're diving deep into something powerful: biogas purification. Did you know that raw biogas can actually be dangerous if left untreated? But once purified, it becomes a clean, safe, and profitable fuel source. Stick with us, because by the end of this video, you will discover how waste can literally be turned into wealth. Joining us is an expert in renewable energy and biogas innovation, Mr. Samuel. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure to be here and to share this life-changing knowledge. Now, before we get into the technical side, let me ask you this. If I say raw biogas, what's the one reason someone watching right now should care about purifying it? Great question. Raw biogas isn't just methane. It contains hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide, and moisture. That makes it corrosive, harmful, and less efficient. But once purified, you get clean, efficient, cooking gas that saves money and protects your health. So purification isn't just optional. It's the key to unlocking biogas's true value. Exactly. Imagine cooking with gas straight from your biogas digester. Without purification, your stove clogs, the flame is weak, and the gas smells terrible. The worst of all is that hydrogen sulfide corrodes your equipment. Purification ensures the gas is safe, strong, and long-lasting. That's a game changer. People need to know this. Let's break it down. How does a biogas purification system actually work? Biogas purification happens in steps. Moisture removal: water vapor is first eliminated using condensers, silica gel, or a water scrubber. Carbon dioxide removal next. Carbon dioxide is stripped out, usually with scrubbers. Hydrogen sulfide removal then. Harmful hydrogen sulfide is taken out using iron splint or activated carbon. What remains is purified methane, a clean, efficient fuel. So it's like turning dirty river water into pure drinking water, but for gas? Exactly. Purification makes the gas market ready. Let's make this real. If I'm a farmer or homemaker watching this, why should I invest in purification instead of just using raw gas? Here's why: cost savings. Purified biogas burns efficiently, so you use less. Health protection: no toxic gases or black soot. Equipment lifespan: stoves, generators, and pipelines last longer. Income opportunity: you can sell purified biogas or even upgrade it to bio-CNG for vehicles. Wow! So, purification isn't an expense, it's an investment. What's the future of biogas purification in Africa? The future is massive. With the cost of LPG rising, communities will turn to biogas. But purification is a bridge that makes it competitive. Imagine villages producing their own clean cooking fuel independent from gas imports. That's energy freedom. That vision gives me chills. Waste into wealth, communities into powerhouses. Mr. Samuel, thank you so much for shedding light on this. For everyone watching, remember, biogas without purification is potential wasted. But purified biogas is wealth unlocked. If you enjoyed this, hit like, share with a friend, and subscribe, because we're just getting started on transforming Africa's energy future.